Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. In this episode, I'm going to quickly show you exactly what you will need to properly clean gutters professionally. First, you're going to want to determine the type of roof that you have. Is it a roof that you can walk on, or is it a roof you're going to need a ladder that's going to need to be put all the way around the home? You got to determine that. As a homeowner, as a contractor, can you walk the roof? First thing you're going to need, if you can walk the roof, is you're going to need a blower. Okay, this is one of the best and fastest way to clean gutters. See, the thing is, some homeowners are going to be like, or if you're a homeowner, well, when I blow the gutters out, I'm going to blow the debris everywhere. The only other option you have, since you can walk onto the roof, you're going to get yourself a 5-gallon bucket, you'll have yourself a bag, and you can bag all the debris. But professionally, most of your professionals and gutter contractors are going to use a blower. And the reason why they're going to do it, obviously it's faster, and the fact that with the blower, you're going to get everything out of the gutter. It's going to make the gutters spotless clean. And when you get good at it, it's really not too bad. So you blow out the gutters, first you're going to blow off your roof, blow out the gutters, then you'll do your cleanup down below once you get down there. And most times you're able to use the blower with most of the debris. You will be so surprised when you do this. When you blow those gutters out, not as much debris as you think come out of that gutters, especially by the time it gets to the ground. And when you get to the ground, what you're going to do is walk around the house, scattering the debris out along the house, picking up any clumps or anything like that that you don't want there. But most times you can blow out the clumps, kind of just spread them out, and when you cut the grass, it'll blend them right in. And you got to make sure you do your gutter cleaning at the right time. If you're doing it right after fall, you're not going to notice as much because there's a lot of debris already around the house. Then you can do your normal average cleanup to remove that debris. Now, and then you're also going to need this ladder. If you can walk on the roof, obviously, depending on how high the roof is, you will be surprised. This 16-foot ladder can do most jobs. Whether it's 2-story, 1-story, this will get you onto the first story of the house. You got your 16-footer that can be purchased at any local hardware store. And then you have a corner buddy stabilizer up there. You never want to use a ladder without having a stabilizer onto the ladder. So you got your ladder, you got your stabilizer, you can get yourself onto the first story roof, okay? And if you can walk the first and second story, this is going to be the option for you. So when you get yourself onto the first story, you're going to put a bungee cord around this ladder, this rung here. So when you're on the first story, you have your blower, you're up there, you're able to set your blower down somewhere up there, and you're able to pull this ladder up onto the roof because it's bungeed together, it's not going to come apart. So you pull the ladder up onto the roof, and you're able to set that to get to the second story if the roof is walkable. Now, if the roof is not walkable, you basically know what you're going to have to do. You're going to need the right size ladder to reach all the gutters depending on your home. And you're going to have to bounce the ladder around the house. Now, the trick that a professional will use, and if they're not using, if you are a professional, you're going to want to use it. Basically, this is what's going to make your job a lot easier. You're going to get a pole. You can even get an extension pole, but you're going to want this pole, and you're going to get this scraper that can be picked up at your hardware store. It's about the exact same width of the bottom of a gutter, so it fits in on the gutter. And this is a 6-foot pole, so this is going to give you 6 foot to the left and 6 foot to the right, which will end up being about 20 foot. Because you got your arm stretch, obviously, to the right and also to the left. So this pole here, this scraper, think about that. Every time you set a ladder up, you're going to be able to do 15 to 20 foot of an area to clean out. And then what you're going to want to take with you is this bucket. So basically, you'll have this bucket, and you're going to get yourself a painting hook. I'll leave everything you need, everything I talked about, right down in the description. Now, when you do purchase a blower, there are so many different choices out. Us as a company, Everything Gutter, we do thousands of gutter cleanings every spring, every fall. We've tested almost every blower out. This is one of the best blowers you could ever purchase. It's not even that expensive. You purchase it at Home Depot, the Echo blower. And the reason why I like this blower, 2 main reasons. It always starts is one of the biggest things. And if you drop this blower, it's not really going to fall apart. It's really built to stand the test of time. It's a strong blower, really good blower, highly recommend. That's basically it, guys. Hopefully I covered all your questions. If for some reason I left anything out, or maybe you have a question you want me to reiterate something that we just talked about, shoot that comment down below. If you like what you see, subscribe to that channel, hit the bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like the video, guys. It really does help me out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.